Hello everyone, and welcome back! In the previous video, we built a workflow that lets us summarize text from a web page, either the full content or just a specific part. Today we're focusing on the Get All Text mode and how it really works. So, as the name suggests, this node retrieves all the text from a web page. Let's see it in action. I'll remove the DOM selector for a moment and run the workflow again. All right, and there we go. Now you can see that it extracts all the text from the page on the left. And yeah, that's a lot of content. Now, what if you don't need everything? Well, that's where the DOM selector comes in. You simply select the part you want, run the workflow again, and now you only get the text from that specific section. Much cleaner, much more useful. Next, we need to define the output field name. This one is required. So here, I'll set it to content. And now you can see that the result includes a content attribute, which contains our extracted text. If I change the name to text, and run it one more time, you'll notice that the result automatically updates and now appears under the text attribute instead. Simple and flexible. Now, there's also an optional setting called Include Input Field. What this does is include data from the previous node in your final result. In our case, the previous node is when started, which doesn't add much. It just returns a simple attribute, started, set to true. But if we enable this option and run the workflow again, you'll now see both attributes in the output, text and started. All right, and that's it for this video. If you want to go deeper, feel free to check out the documentation. And in the next video, we'll take a closer look at how AI agents work. See you there!